she goes, onto her back from her tummy. Good girl. You're so talented. You're so talented. Smile. Give mommy a smile. Oh, there's her old man. She lost her teeth. She lost her teeth. Where did they go? Oh. Are we going back on our tummy or going the other way? What you gonna do? Are you just hanging out on your back for a while? Are you just gonna hang out on your back for a while? You gotta pretend like mommy doesn't have a video camera. It's hard to do, huh? That's hard to do. You gotta show everybody how you're rolling all across the floor. There she goes. There she goes. We'll see if she keeps going. Oh, I see Bobby. I see Bobby. What's he gonna do? Are you gonna keep going? Are you gonna keep going or are you sticking there for a little while? There she goes again. Oh, there she goes. Rolling all the way over to the floor. I put her on the other side of the blanket and she ends up way over there. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You silly Willy. You're a silly Willy. Are you talking for the video camera? Alright, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.